Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the motion blur effect or feature in your videos on the CapCut application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the edit button and then select a project or a video that you want to edit. Click on the edit button down below in the left side corner, slide to the left side and then tap on motion blur. Here you can blur the video by using this slide. You can blend it, you can set the direction forward, backward or both, and the times 6, 4 times, twice or once, and tap on the check mark icon if you are satisfied with the result, and you can save and apply the motion blur. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.